Good, bro.
So is it going properly?
Good, good.
Okay.
ये कौन सी एरिया है? Single punching machine ये है.
Sir, this is rotary.
This one is the single punching machine.
Yes, sir. This is used for the granulating.
Slug formation.
For the formation of slug,
Yeah.
which then converts into granules.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And after granulation, we use rotary table compression machine,
Rotate.
which is used for the tableting.
Okay.
Let's see. This is the filling point. This is the filling point, and after filling point, there is one more point. This is called scrub point.
Scrub point.
Yes, here we have to just fill all and set all the powders in this level. Okay,
Okay.
properly.
Okay.
After this, just keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. After now this is the point. Now this is the point. This is called.
थोड़ी और लेकर आना.
Okay, sir. This is the point where pressure is
Compress area.
yes sir, where pressure is generated. So this is called compression area. Okay. Now just keep rolling, and you can see below here is a system where
Yes.
from where our die cavity
Dining our punch.
yes punch will be go up, and the die will also go up, and now the punch and die has been separated. Okay. After this, from here we will get our tablets. That is called ejaculation point. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So it's all the working.
Ejaculation point.
Yes, this is the working of
And,
tablet.
And
Compression
we should need to clean.
Always clean after.
Die punches
Yes, yes.
for the
Now we will
refilling.
Yes, we will go for demonstration after some things. Now my one of the student colleague has gone for the measuring, weighing of aspirin powders. It's very tough, and it's time consuming.
And this is a station for filling.
Yes,
filling area.
this is the station. Now you can see this is
filling area.
There is a round shape.
This is the lower punch.
Yes, this is the lower punch. This is the upper punch. This can be
This is
like
upper punch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it can be
This
set like
is
this. This is the die cavity.
What are the functions of and what is the function of die or role of die?
Actually, the die is used just for the deciding the shape of a tablet. Okay. And this is used for the punching. This is the cavity which holds the die and helps in pressing the tablets.
That is a cavity.
Yeah, it's cavity.
In this cavity, we will fill
Powders.
powders
Granules,
and granules.
not the powders, granules.
Granules. Okay.